Alright, let's solve the question above. Very quick, we are asked to find the value of p. So for us to solve this, we are going to take the square of both sides. So doing that, we are going to have the square root of 3p to the power of p all square will be equals to 6 to the power of 2. Alright, we can bring in this 2 and take out this p. Why? Because from the law of indices, if we have a to the power of m, and we can either have it as a to the power of m, then into what? N, or a to the power of n into what? M. I hope you understand this. So we can either bring in m or n, anyone you want to bring in to the bracket. Alright, so I'm going to bring in 2, then take out p. So I'm going to have the square root of 3p all square all to the power of p equals to, here we can rewrite this 6 as 3 multiplied by 2 all to the power of what? All to the power of 2. And you agree that this 2 will go with what? The square root here. So we'll be left with what? 3p to the power of what? P. So we are going to have 3p to the power of what? Of p equals to 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. Alright, so let's share the square root on there. Here we have 3 to the power 1. 1 times p, power times power. So we are going to have 3 to the power of p multiplied by p to the power of p equals to 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2. Compare the left hand side with the right hand side. Here we have 3 here to be the base. Here we have 3 here to be the base. So it means we can equate this side with this side. So we can say 3 to the power of p is equals to 3 to the power of 2. So here 3 will go with 3 here, then the value of p is equals to 2. Similarly, this is p to the power of p. Here we have it to be what? 2 to the power of 2. P to the power of p equals to 2 to the power of 2. If you look at this from the law of indices that says a to the power of a equals to b to the power of b, therefore a is equals to what? B. If a to the power of a is equals to b to the power of b, therefore a is equals to what? B. So we can therefore say p is also equals to what? P is also equal to 2. P is also equals to 2. So here the value of p is nothing but what? 2. So that is just the short way of solving this very fast. Alright, thank you.